Clear prop. Welcome back to another Zia Mountain Adventure. Okay, so last flight, I noticed my wing was a little off, so I did some adjustments, and hopefully that's going to fix the problem. Carrizozo traffic for radio check. Alright, I think we're getting pretty close to warm enough on the temperature. Still kind of warm. Alright, there he is. Roger that. Appreciate it. I guess I'm coming in loud and clear. That's awesome. That was old Bill, the airport manager. He lives up here. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we can do here. See if we can get up in the air. See what our wing's doing. Here we go. It looks nice. Let's do it. Whoa! Easy lift off. Still pulling to the left just a little bit. Or we may have just went into the wing. What was going on is it's pulling to the left, it seems like. Our wind's coming from this direction, so your chute always wants to go into the wind. But, so I'm going to try to get some, try to figure out how to adjust it just a little bit better. Because when I tried landing on the last flight a couple days ago, it pulled to the left really bad. Turning left and right now, trying to feel it out. It almost seems like it's definitely more even than it was. Wow, liftoff was nice. 290 feet already. We're lifting like crazy. My buddy Ty is down there. He has a PPG, but he has a whatchamacallit for it, a trike. So I guess you call it a trike. He's been flying for a long time. He's down there on the runway. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's getting ready. I think I may just try coming in for a touch and go, just to kind of see how the flare. Looks like he's working on something. Yeah, the radio's still doing that. I don't know what that is. Yeah, let's just kind of, I'm going to see if we can't come in here. We got a nice little crab angle going on. Just going to see what the flare feels like after I release that tension on the left side. Let's see what... Oh yeah, there it is. Touch and go. Oh yeah, we're good now, man. I'm liking that. That was nice. Oh, that was nice. I like it. That was pretty smooth, man. That was pretty smooth. I'm gonna do it again. Make sure it wasn't a fluke. But now this is the second time I've ever flown this wing. If you watch my last video, you'll understand why I got a new wing and all that. The last flying video anyways. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm liking it, man. Perfect. Two nice little touch and goes. Let's go flying. That's all I gotta say. Alright, he's setting up his wing now. Cool. Ty hasn't flown for a long time either. But we're back here in Carrizozo. Carrizozo is just really easy to just come down off the mountain and fly. Look at this hacienda down here, man. They got like a pool, tennis court. Wow. This is kind of interesting because yesterday Yesterday I was underground in a cave with Madman Joe, and we didn't get back till kind of late. And honestly, I was kind of tired, and then this morning, woke up, here I am, in the air. From underground to in the air. Dude, it is nice up here this morning. Air feels really good. I can tell the atmosphere is already warming up a little bit though, so we need to kind of keep an eye on that. The big metropolis of Carrizozo. A little bumpy over here for some reason. Wow, that guy's got a lot of junk down there. All kinds of wood and stuff. Yeah, I don't blame them, man. We save our timber and stuff like that too. When you're far, far away from hardware stores and whatnot, you know, you save what you can, use what you can. Man, it's really bumpy over here. It's weird. It's like there's like 4 different quadrants of weather all in this area. You know, you have like this area in here that always does something completely different. South side always does something completely different. Yeah, it's pretty bumpy on this side right now. That's all right. Just add to our turbulence tolerance. Let's get up a little higher. Pretty bumpy right here. Wow, we must be into some decent wind because we're barely moving. Holy moly. Alright, let's go back to the other side. It's always weird right here, man. The further in you go, that's why I never get close to the mountains, because it's always weird right here, man. I guess if we got up higher, it might be a little different, but woo! Yeah, we're getting tossed around. Woo! Caught a little lift there. We went up like 60 feet really fast. I felt that. A little bit of thermal action. Let's see if we can see old Ty. I don't know if I see him. Sometimes he flies really low. I don't see his wing anywhere though. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can pick him out on the camera there. I'll try to zoom in maybe, but he's way down there. Flying like a champ, man. That's awesome. Here, we'll make to the right. Maybe we can see him a little better. Yeah, that's cool, man. Oh, he's got a little light on him now, too. Right on. I don't remember him having that strobe. Or maybe it was just the sun was banking off something. Yeah! Nice, man. Let's check out the pond, man. I haven't been over here. They actually stocked this pond with some serious catfish. You can catch some whoppers out of this thing. It's not like shooting fish in a barrel. It's still, you know, it's still fishing. Let's see here. The cattail's back. I got rid of all the cattails. A couple of years ago, they put something on the cattails to poison them, and they screwed up the entire pond. I couldn't believe it. I was like, what are you thinking, man? Cool, look at that. It looks good, though. It looks really nice. Cattails are coming back on that side. They pulled a lot of them out. I guess they were sucking up too much water. I wonder what happened there. They usually have a fountain going in the middle there. Wow. The water table's actually kind of low on that. The water level's low over the entire county. Every lake is completely low this year right now. See if we can just go level flight here, maybe. Is that another power line right there? What is that? It looks like more power lines. It is. Well, that's okay. Go play around out here a little bit. Nothing but cacti, man. A lot of dead choyas. 670 feet. We're still awesome on altitude. Still, air is just extremely smooth still. I'm actually pretty impressed. Oh yeah, right down here, there's an old foundation. There's an old, I don't know if you can even see it. It's like a old fireplace right there. I think there used to be some type of depot or some historical cabin right there. I forget what it was, to be honest with you. Oh, there's Ty. Shoot. Look at him go. Hi. He's moving. He was moving pretty fast there, wasn't he? Whoa. Is that smoke? That looks like smoke. Huh. Let's go see what that's all about. May have to... Or is it just the arroyo? I think it's just the arroyo. Yeah, it's just the arroyo. It made it look like smoke over there for a second. Now, is that a state trooper right there? Sure looks like one. Like an undercover or something. Huh. Maybe not. I don't know. I can't tell. We're making a move a little bit, aren't we? Like a Texas plate or something. Who knows? Who knows? Ah, back in the warm air. It's like Bill's up and moving around. Alright, let's see if we can land on the blacktop. I think we can. Hi. Hey, it's not my fault you live next to the airport, dude. You know? I live next to the airport and I complain about the noise all the time because it's so loud. Well, you live next to the airport. Right into the wind right now. Look at this. It's looking good. Let's get over just a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. A little bit of flare. Perfect. Come on down, shoot. There you go, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh, landed sideways. Dang it. That's okay. Alright, that was way better landing than the last flight. That was cool, man. I really enjoyed that one. That was a good flight. That was a really good flight. Got an hour in, And yeah. All right, I'm going to pack it up, man. Call it a day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, all that good stuff. We'll see you guys on the next adventure.